Hello, hello, Phil Thompson, StreamingChurch.tv. We're going to talk about the free digital ministry RX assessment. And by the way, thanks for using StreamingChurch.tv for all your streaming video needs. Now, you might be saying, what is this free digital ministry RX thing? Well, you can access it here, or you can go over here to Stats and Reports, and you can click here. And it's simply said it is an AI powered tool, and it's really set up to help you take your data, your streaming data, your church website stuff, and it's designed to really help you really improve your ministry's impact. So it's developed by us at streamingchurch.tv. It's going to look at your streaming, your digital ministry metrics. It's going to give you a customized report. It's going to provide you some actionable recommendations, short, mid, and long-term improvements. So to get started on it, and this is free, and you can run it, maybe run it once a month or so if you want. The primary goal, that's the first thing you've got to decide. So this is a live church here in Tucson, church I used to be on staff at. Their goal here is ministry, but let's define this very quickly. So ministry in this definition means you're trying to reach people in your community with the gospel. Those who are not attending a church, but you're trying to attract these people so that maybe they can watch your online streaming and hopefully show up at your church eventually. Now, if you were going to choose maintenance, that would be for people that are already committed to your church. Those who, they're involved, they're just growing spiritually, and that's good. You want to help those people. That's your goal. You're not really interested in maybe reaching your community at this point. Missional, it would be, global. That's reaching people all over the world. So Alive has chose ministry. So I'm going to go ahead and submit it. And what it's going to do now, it's going to look at Alive Church's website. You can look at it yourself, alivechurch.com. But it's going to look at this website and it's going to create a little report on the actual website. And here's the report. Now, you can edit this. So AI has put this together, but maybe they didn't get it right. I don't know, they being AI. So you can make some editing here with using this, just simple website kind of a template here that you can edit. And once you're happy with this, then you can click Update Ministry Goal and Description, and maybe you're happy the way it is, and so you just bypass that and just click it. So here's what it's done. It's looked at their streaming, and they've got 310, I don't know if you can see that real well, per week, but you see all these different numbers here, percentage of people viewing on computers, mobile, watching on TV, is the AI web host embedded? No, it's not. It's all that good stuff. So that gives you a little bit of an idea based on their ministry. And then you can create the actual digital report. So what it's going to do here is it's analyzing this data and it's going to prepare the results. So what's it going to do? So for the sake of time, I'm going to give you what it did earlier. And this is the report that it spit out for a live church. And let's see if I can stretch this out a little bit. It gave a little summary. It talked about the profile, and then it talked about some quick wins, near-term recommendations, and you get to what I'm saying here. This is all free, and we recommend that you use it. And if you have questions about it, just reach out to us at streamingchurch.tv. Have yourself a great day.